Running the 75th anniversary train set going around Townsville, Ohio. And there's people on the benches here watching. And then on the buildings we have Frito-Lay canisters and rice-a-roni. Everything's looking good. Little peek of the Looney Tune car. I hope everybody enjoys this video and have a great day. And if you would, please subscribe to me. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching.